Tokwe had a fever and was running high temperature. She was rushed to the school clinic and part of the examination done on her was the measure of her temperature. Oh, so sad. Do you know the instrument the nurse used? She used a clinical thermometer. That's good to know. It's an example of a mercury-in-glass thermometer and its temperature range between 35 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius. Today, we have learned that the clinical thermometer is a typical example of mercury-in-glass thermometer. Unlike the ones used in the school laboratory, the clinical thermometer has a short stem. Its temperature range is between 35 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius. This is because it measures the temperature of a human being. For a healthy human, normal body temperature is about 36.9 degrees Celsius or 37 degrees Celsius. Another feature which distinguishes clinical thermometers from laboratory thermometer is the presence of construction at the base of its stem. This prevents the mercury from flowing back into the bulb until when a reading is taken. The mercury is forced back into the bulb by jerking or shaking the thermometer vigorously. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. I'll see you in the next one.